Unlock the secrets to laser-focusing your data with Looker Studio filters and transform your insights in just 90 seconds. First, open your Looker Studio report and locate the Add a Filter option in the toolbar. It's usually represented by a filter icon. Click it to get started. Now, choose the type of filter you need. You can either include specific values or exclude unwanted ones. Select the dimension you want to filter by, let's say, product category. Explore the different filter types. Date range filters are great for time series data, and the advanced option lets you create complex filters using regular expressions for highly specific criteria. Next, define the filter scope. Applying it to a specific chart affects only that visualization. Applying it to the entire report filters all charts using the data source. You can even apply it to the data source itself for a global filter. Watch how the chart updates in real time as you apply the filter. Experiment with different values and conditions to fine-tune your data view. Remember to name your filters clearly and organize them logically, especially in complex dashboards. This makes it easier to manage and maintain your reports over time. Create dynamic filters that respond to user input, enabling viewers to interactively explore the data and gain valuable insights. Congratulations, you've now mastered the basics of creating filters in Looker Studio. Use these powerful techniques to extract meaningful patterns and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Looker Studio tips.